I got more viewer model railroads to show you guys, and I've got some good ones here. It's time for a virtual model railroad show. Hey everybody, my name's Jimmy. Welcome to Coffee and Trains. Today I'm drinking some more of that Caribou coffee, going through a big case of that I have. If you want to tell me what kind of coffee you are drinking and have it listed just like these guys right here, you can do that in the comments below, and who knows, you might see your name on an episode of Coffee and Trains. Also, this is a virtual model railroad show. If you want to submit pictures of your model railroad to be on the virtual model railroad show, you can go to the email in the description. I'll talk more about that at the end. Cheers, guys. Check out this railroad from Ethan, aka CSX Gaming.
Ethan is Australian and he's doing a British-inspired layout, and this thing just looks really, really good. I love all of these shots that he has sent in of his locomotives and his town. It looks very British with those row houses. Looking great, Ethan. I really like this. He also showed some progress shots where he started off with the easy track, but now he uses Pico track, and he also sent in this video of a train running around his layout. Great job, Ethan. Looks awesome.
Look at this railroad from Mike Condon.
Mike's layout represents the town of Walloon in Australia and Queensland. It's kind of near Brisbane, and it just looks phenomenal. I love the way that this layout looks. I also love the way that Australian equipment looks, especially when this is modeling in the 70s and 80s, where it's got that solid mix of North American and European stylings. It just looks really, really neat, and it's really unique. So I really like this, Mike. Great job. Keep it up. I love this. I know 4 guys worked on this. Looks awesome.
This is a railroad from Mike Moss.
Mike's layout has some progress shots that build up to where it is pretty well scenic and looks great. Look at the inside of this tunnel. You rarely get to see the insides of tunnels done like this. And you can see he's slowly building with easy track, which it looks really good. I didn't realize it was easy track at first. Check out these tunnels right here. There's just really a lot of detail, especially with the rock work. I really like the way that that looks. And then all of the grasslands and the trees, they all look really, really great. And you can see right now he has a progress shot where he's building stuff, and then it transitions to where you can see just everything here, and it looks great.
Lee sent these pictures in.
Lee has a layout here that is under construction. Got that classic 4x8 built in the garage, just that classic American layout. Love seeing this. Looks like some solid construction on the table. He's doing in scale. He's got some track work down, getting some stuff done, but overall looks like it's going to be a ton of fun to run once it gets done. Looks like he's trying to get to that point where he can run trains. But great job, Lee. Can't wait to see more progress shots.
Check out these pics from Kathy James.
Kathy has a nice little desktop layout that just has a ton of detail in it, and you can just see all of the different little details. Just a lot of fun. Love the backdrop too, by the way, and you can see all the different rolling stock and locomotives right here. Just a ton of fun to operate. Look at all that. We zoom in here on this and you can see all those details. Great job.
This is a railroad from Frogz 296.
Frogz has a diorama. By the way, this guy's 13 years old, and this looks phenomenal. I love this. Look at the little building. I think that's an Outland Models kit, but he says this is his first diorama. This looks way better than what I was doing at 13 years old. Great job, Frogz. Love seeing it.
Check out this submission from William Belchoff.
William's layout started up when coronavirus hit, so it was a lockdown layout, and this looks really good. Could have fooled me. This looks like it's been around for a long time. Love seeing this steam engine roll around the layout. And one thing to note about this is that he actually took my Arduino block signal system and used it for 4 blocks, so you can see some signals into the background, and I just love seeing it when someone has done one of those. It makes me feel really good, like I've done something that someone has used these signals to actually make their layout great. You can see it running right there, but just love the way that this looks. You know, you could have fooled me. I could have thought this layout was around forever. So great job, William. This is a great looking layout.
This is a submission from David House.
David is building a mid-size HO scale layout, and it looks like a lot of fun, like he's building it. And here is a little engine shed that he is working on. You can see he's also getting his track work, got some of that track work paint down, and then he's also got a great shot of the yard that he is building as well. So great job, David. Love seeing it.
Check out these pics from Zalinski.
Zach has built this diorama, which just looks amazing. I absolutely love it. Love those Northern Pacific cars. They look really, really good. And this diorama is actually sitting above his kitchen sink in his house, which is something that I don't think my wife would let me do. But this looks awesome. Love it, Zach. Can't wait to see more.
Check out this railroad from Michael Goldman.
Michael's layout looks amazing. This is an in-scale layout with code 55 tracks, still under construction there, but check out this shot of the town scene at night. This looks amazing, and here it is during the day, and you can see just all the details. Check out the signature scene with all these bridges. He's doing Eastern U.S. with Norfolk Southern, CSX, and Virginia Railway Express for a commuter train, and it just looks amazing. Check out this boxcar with the graffiti, and keep in mind that that is in scale. And then here's another shot of these weathered locomotives for Norfolk Southern. He also sent me in a video of the trains, and they look really, really good. And you can just see this Virginia Railway Express commuter train. I believe that's a Cotto that is running through there. It looks really, really good. I am just so impressed by this. I'm gonna let it go through this next tunnel here and pop out by that little farm. You can see the cars even have the headlights on, and there it is going through the town scene. Great job, Michael. This is just a great looking layout that you should be proud of.
If you want to submit your model railroad for the Virtual Model Railroad Show, you can send photos and video to the email in the description below, and just include a picture of either your entire railroad or a really big section if it's a large model railroad. This way we can give everybody an idea of how big your model railroad is. Still got some spots left for this year, but don't know how long that's going to last. And if you get in there and they're already filled up, I'll go ahead and put you into 2025, but still filling in for that viewer model railroad of the year. Get your photos in quickly so we can get that in there. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY Digital. Stay safe, be kind, drink some coffee, and happy railroading.